Begin by placing all-purpose flour in a large mixing bowl, baking powder, salt, and granulated sugar, then whisk to combine. Now, we need 8 tablespoons of cold, unsalted butter. Go ahead and dice up the butter. Make sure that the butter is really cold, straight from the fridge. Then, combine the butter and flour mixture. Cover the butter in the flour mixture first. Go ahead and cut the butter using a pastry cutter. Continue cutting until pea-sized crumbs form. Once all the butter has been cut up, add fresh blueberries and fold them in. Get the full written recipe at kelvinskitchen.com. Now combine cold heavy cream with 1 egg and pure vanilla extract. Whisk to combine. Combine the wet and dried ingredients and fold just until combined. Do not overmix. If your dough seems too dry, add 1 more tablespoon of heavy cream, or if it's too wet, feel free to sprinkle a little bit of flour. Then dump the dough onto your clean counter table. Using your hands, work the dough into a ball. Then flatten the dough into a 7-inch round disc. Using a pastry cutter or a knife, go ahead and cut them into 8 equal pieces. When you cut straight down without using a sewing motion. Transfer the blueberry scones onto a lined baking sheet. Line the baking tray with parchment paper or a baking mat. Then brush the top of your blueberry scones with heavy cream. I like to sprinkle them with brown sugar. Transfer to the fridge for at least 20 minutes before baking. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 200 degrees Celsius. Do you know the history of scones? Watch this.
The humble scone, a delightful treat we all know and love. But have you ever wondered where it came from? Its origins are somewhat shrouded in mystery, but it's believed to have hailed from Scotland as early as the 16th century. The term scone potentially stems from the Dutch schoenbrood, translating to fine bread or beautiful bread. Originally, these were oat-based and prepared on a griddle, quite a departure from the oven-baked delights we're familiar with today. The scone as we know it began to take shape in the 19th century with the introduction of baking powder as a leavening agent. This innovation gave scones their distinctive rise and flaky texture. But how did scones become a quintessential part of a British afternoon tea? Credit goes to Anna, the Duchess of Bedford, who popularized the afternoon tea in the 1840s. Scones, paired with other pastries and finger sandwiches, became an integral part of this social tradition. Now scones come in an array of flavors, from the classic plain or fruit-filled to the more adventurous blueberry, raisin, or even savory versions with cheese and herbs. They've truly gone global, adapting to local tastes and ingredients. So next time you enjoy a scone, remember its journey from a simple Scottish oatcake to the versatile treat it is today. Don't forget to subscribe to Kelvin's Kitchen, like, and share this video. And now, back to Kelvin.
And after 20 minutes of the blueberry scones being in the fridge, pull them out the fridge and pop them in the preheated oven. Now, bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 22 minutes or until golden on top. And if everything goes according to plan, your blueberry scones will look like this. Transfer them to a wire rack and let them cool off completely. And while they're cooling off, let's make the glaze. To make the glaze, zest 1 full lemon. We are also going to be using some of the lemon juice. In a small mixing bowl, combine the lemon zest, the powdered sugar, and some lemon juice. Then mix to combine. The glaze should be a thick drizzle consistency. If it's too thick, add more lemon juice, and if it's too watered down, then add more powdered sugar. Easy peasy. Once the blueberry scones have cooled down, drizzle the glaze over them. And there you have it, blueberry scones. Enjoy, buen provecho. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.
Ew.